the next award is the best in cocktail attire. They are wearing it now, and you can be a judge. You can actually scream the number who you're betting to win tonight's best in cocktail attire. This also serves 15% on the overall computation for the top 3 finalists. Best in cocktail dress will be presented by Mary Grace and Alexis. And best in cocktail dress is candidate